Let me see if I can find my other G-bolt. Because then maybe I'll put in sueño on one side and then downy on the other side of the G-bolt. Y'all wish me luck if I can find it. Oh, this was full of powder. That's interesting. Okay, this is not my double bolt. Oh, that was juicy, y'all. Oh, thank you. Just at the bottom. Oh, this feels like a bunch of powder. Oop. Hey, Ashanti. Oh, thanks for Go Popular. Hey, Mia Coop. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Let's see. I'm happy. The epoxy at the bottom. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm taking some of the sponges out so then I can get to this epoxy and get it out. Be more thing. Thank you. Does it hurt your hands after a while? Not really. Some days I do wake up with my hands a little sore, but mostly I'm usually pretty good. Ooh. Y'all, this rinse gonna be crazy. Oh, did you have fun, Michaela? I know you had a suds overload, didn't you, girl? I know you love the suds. Oh, look at all this powder. Yeah, at 80K, I still got 2 cans left to throw in. I got 1 Ajax and 1 Comet. At 80K, I'm throwing in 1, and at 100K, I'm throwing in the other one. You got some girl on your page again. Goldie, who is on here? Oh my gosh. Man, I'm telling y'all, TikTok be playing in my face. Just playing in my face. Let's see. Please send it to me. That's why I didn't even say nothing, Selena. I'll look at it after the live, which will probably be in 2 to 3 business days. That's how long it's gonna take to rinse this stuff out. Any cans going in? Yes, we got 2 more cans going in. We got a can going in at 80K, and we got a can going in at 120K. These cans were pre-purchased. That is the only reason I'm letting these cans go in. So I don't want nobody getting no crazy ideas. Yeah, so a normal winter time, I guess. Can I be nosy? I know how to keep quiet. Sure. What are you trying to be nosy about, Raya? Hey, Maddie girl. Everybody, they mom in this thing. We got 2 big things of fabric softener, like the big gallons. We got this big old dish soap. We got a big Ajax dish soap. Oh, it's a little left in here. Put on the sponge. We got Ajax dish soap. We got Gain dish soap. We got, so far, 23 cans. 23 cans. We got Sweetheart Sarah's laundry. We got my own colorful laundry I made myself. We got 4 bottles of Fabuloso, 4 big things of pine pinolin, 4 small things of pine pinolin. Did I miss anything, y'all? Am I saving? No, I ain't saving this. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. No! The crystals are haunting me again. I hate these crystals. That means I didn't mix fast enough. Oh, I can see you in the picture, right? Sometimes a random girl will pop up in the background. So leave that in that sink. No problem. Ooh. Yeah, what y'all think? I think this sponge is dunzo. I think this sponge is dunzo. Well, maybe I can cut the sides off. I think I can repurpose this. I live for rinses. Oh yeah, girl, this is gonna be a crazy rinse. Crazy. I bet it smells super good. It does a real. Oh, that baby chewed. It did. Let's see. Oh, I'll show you the kitchen, Jennifer. It is treacherous. I'll show it to you right before the rinse, because I'll be changing my gloves before the rinse. I think. Maybe I won't. We'll see how I feel. We're at 80K? Oh, shoot. Okay. I got Blanca, I got Foca. That's what I got. Yes, at 120K likes, I will throw in the last can of the night. Okay. All right. Now let's get some of this powder off the bottom. How much for the Foca? Foca is 8. The Foca bag is 8. And it's a big bag too. Price I'll be forgetting. The Blanca's 5, the Foca's 8. You said for the Blanca all in? Okay. The Blanca bag isn't that big. The small Blanca bag is 5. If you want the big Blanca bag, it's 8. 5 for Blanca. Okay. 10 for Foca. Okay. All sponges are out. All in. All right. I'll do all in with the Foca and the Blanca. The Foca bag is pretty big though. The Blanca bag, this isn't the huge Blanca bag. This is like the medium-sized Blanca bag. Hey, blue-eyed lady. How you doing? Yeah. I just want to mix. I just want to get some of these powders off the bottom and smooth this out real quick. Then I'm going to go all in. Ain't nothing in here but one sponge. Ooh. Hello, Luna. Let me know when y'all send. Oh, wait, no. I already saw it. I saw the Cash App notifications go in for both. Y'all don't have to tell me I saw it. I forgot. I saw it right before I started mixing. Hold on, there's some crystals at the bottom, stressing me clean out. Oh, wait, maybe it's not crystal. Let's see. Are these crystals? Yes, I see the Blanca and the Folk. I'm about to pour it in. I'm just smoothing this out a little bit, getting the chunks off the bottom. Then I'm gonna go all in. I'm gonna put these. Oh my God, I see it now. I just saw that. Thank you, Michaela. I'm definitely changing my shirt soon. As soon as Bliff get back down here, he's gonna have to bring me a shirt. This is not working. Okay. I think we're good enough. Wait. I said in a minute though, I may just go see if I can get a shirt because I need a shirt. This ain't working. Oh, 2 Blanca and 1 Foca. No, I think she sent for 2 Focas and 1 Blanca. Actually, let me see. We need to figure out how to make this work. Okay, let me go pour these bad boys in. Oh, you want 1 Focal? Good thing you said something. I know y'all can see this glue. I know. Okay. Let me make sure none of them tipped over. No. They're all good. Ooh, let me fix the camera. Yes, I like the smell of Foca. Thanks for the follow. Y'all, this is crazy. Okay, I can't do this because the thing dipped in the sink and now my arm feels gross. I need to change my shirt. Bliff! I can't wear the shirt. Give me a second.